Hello po, good day. Balito na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo Switch Lite. 512 gig po natin. So our SD card, nandito po siya sa likod, inserted. Serial ending in 5603. So yung switch po ninyo is naka-dual boot na rin po siya. It has yung ating jailbreak mode and legit mode. Currently, in-access muna natin yung ating jailbreak mode. Automatic na rin po siya. Every time that we turn on normally yung ating switch, ang una niyang i-access ay ang jailbreak mode first. Ayan. So battery percentage right now is at 47%. Pakita ko lang din yung charging ng inyong unit. So side A, charging. And yung kabila, side B, also charging. So let's leave it charging for now. Then these are the games naman that we were able to install. So for 512 gig, marami na rin po tayo mga games na requested din nyo na na-install po natin. Ayan. And then sa album folder po, andito naman yung ating mga homebrew applications. Now, if you are going to check yung inyong serial number, expect na hindi po ninyo siya makikita dito kasi one of our ban prevention is minamask po natin yung serial number during jailbreak mode access. So makikita po ninyo na naka-00 pa ang inyong serial. You don't need to worry naman kasi makikita nyo rin yung inyong serial once you've accessed your legit mode. And then for our buttons naman, makita ko lang din yung test ng ating buttons. So up, down, left, right, all good, no drifting or ghosting. And with our right Joy-Con, ayan. Same thing, no ghosting or drifting. And then the rest of our buttons, ZR-ZL natin, LR, plus minus, our ABXY, directional buttons, yung ating analog buttons of course, spring shot, and yung ating touchscreen, and our home button. So turn off lang muna natin yung ating switch and then this time, access naman natin yung second boot which is our legit mode. So before we turn on our unit, we just need to wait lang din po na mga around 10 to 15 seconds to make sure na yung module natin sa loob is totally na turned off na din. So let's try. Turning on. Then once you see the logo na lumabas, hold down lang po natin agad yung ating volume down button para mapunta naman tayo sa ating Hecate menu selection. And in this time, we can choose our legit mode assistant. So sa legit mode po natin, dito po tayo pwede mag-access ng ating eShop, multiplayer online, or if meron po kayong mga physical game cartridges, dito nyo rin po siya pwedeng laruin. Now, dahil nasa legit mode naman po tayo ngayon, if you are going to check yung inyong album folder, hindi na po ninyo makikita dito yung mga homebrew applications. Rather, pag meron na kayong mga nakasave na photos or screenshots, dito po siya lalabas. And as what I mentioned before, yung serial po ninyo, dito nyo po makikita during your legit mode access. So serial ending 5603, which is the same po dito sa sticker sa ilalim na inyong switch unit. Ayan. So okay na po yung inyong switch. Ano na ba yung battery percentage natin? So we started charging it at 47%. Now, battery has gone up to 50%. I'll be sending also separate photos of the other inclusions that we have for your order. Ayan. So okay na yung inyong switch. Ipapack na lang din namin ito and then wait na lang namin yung courier for pickup. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you po and happy gaming!